You know, there is something different about waking up at 5 am. When the world is quiet, when there is no notification buzzing, when the sky is still dark, and it feels like time has slowed down just for you. In 2025, life is louder than ever. Everything is fast messages, deadlines, distractions. But if you can calm your mornings, you can start owning your life. Wake up at 5 am isn't about being better than others. It's about being better than who you were yesterday. At 5 am, you get time to think, real, uninterrupted time to reflect, to move your body, to breathe in silence before the world starts shouting at you. Why? Because you are keeping a promise to yourself and everything you follows through your self-respect builds. You will have days where it feels hard, days where the bad feelings warmer than your goals. But when you push through that, when you win the morning, you start to believe in your own strength again. Imagine this. By 7 am, you are reading 10 pages, worked out, planned your day, and meditated. Now comparing that to hitting snoozing until 8:30, rushing to get ready, skipping breakfast, and starting the day stressed. It's not just about time, it's about moment. There is peace in the early hours. It's like the world whispers to you, this is your time. What will you do with it? You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a fantasy routine. Just start small. Maybe 5:30, maybe just reading for 10 minutes, but be consistent and watch what happens. So tomorrow, rise with purpose. Rise before the noise and rise like the person who were always meant to be. The 5 am rule is not a rule, it's a remember that your life is waiting for you to show up.